Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video I'm here with buddy.
Well, child.
So I have this idea for the Super Nintendo HDMI cable. I know my buddy has this special N64. This one is, I would say, modified for RGB signal output. The pound cable, what I understand of this thing, this one needs RGB signal. So if you're using this on your original N64, it's highly possible it doesn't work. So keep in mind, I will try to drop a link in the description. There is a guy on eBay who sells and modifies these N64 systems. So in this video, I'm going to hook it up to the N64 with RGB. And let's see what happens. Does it work? And how is the signal output? So, stay tuned. Let's play some Nintendo 64. Right, we're going to plug it with the original connector in here. Keep in mind, you're going to need an extra power supply for it.
You need to pound it in.
You need to pound it. Alright, so the LED is powering on, so you know it's getting some extra juice. Plug in the HDMI cable.
It really needs that?
They say you don't need it, but it's very recommended because it's possible it's going to draw some extra juice from the original system.
Okay.
So they recommend doing it. So that's why I'm just showing it. Alright, so this is the result we're going to get. This is an RGB N64 upscaled, or now upscaled, let's say converted with the pound cable. Alright, let's play some games. And of course it's still a little bit blurry because it's RGB signal.
Yeah, but it's so much better than original output.
I really like to point out, if you're having this HDMI upgrade for your N64, this is not to be compared with this. This is just, let's say, a cheap solution if you just want to have a better signal output through HDMI. Man, 50cc is slow. Damn it. So let's try out another game. Wave Race, Classic 1.
Wave Race.
For the people who didn't know. So I'm doing this gameplay just to give you an idea how it's going to look. Oh, for God's sake, I knew that was happening. So guys, for the final conclusion, I hope you have a better idea what you're going to get. It works on this RGB version. I like to point out, keep in mind you're having this RGB signal that is more like converted to HDMI. It cannot be confused with the full HDMI, very expensive modification you need for the system. That one is very deluxe, having a lot of options. This is more like a conversion, and maybe a little bit of an upscale, but this is the result. Let me know what you think of this. I'm going to leave a link in the description of the pound cable, and I tried to search the guy on eBay who's selling these modified RGB systems. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell.
Bye bye, people.
See you next time.